Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a rounded edge corner image on Picsart. So here I've already opened the Picsart apps and I've already added a photo that I want to add it to have a rounded edge corner. So here's what you need to do is just swipe on the toolbar here until you find the border options. So here you can just adjust it like this, and then to have a rounded edge corner you can just adjust on the radius here. You can go like this. You can see now the image will have a rounded edge like this. Then you can also adjust the outer border and also the inner border like this. If you don't want to have a border, you can just go with 0 like this, and then here you go, you'll have that rounded edge corner image, and you can just click on a check icon, and if you like it just click on the arrow down here to download the image. Okay, so that's all for me. If you guys think this video is helpful, please do click on the thumbs up icon, click on the thumbs up icon, click on the thanks below, and also subscribe and comment if you have any question. Bye.